Quick reading for January the 17th to January the 18th, Aries. So we have the Five of Cups, the King of Wands, and the Six of Pentacles. Parang meron ditong nakaisip, no, na mali pala yung aking mga ginawa. Mali pala itong aking pagtalikod, no, dito sa relationship na ito. It seems like merong biglang bawi. It's either a connection or your person's going to approach you. Meron ditong 180-degree turn na babawiin uli, no, yung kanyang mga ginawa or kanyang mga sinabi na parang hindi yun yung totoo kong miningin. Kasi with the King of Wands in here, para ding sabihin natin bigla na lang naglaho si person, hindi na lang nagsalita, nawala. Ngayon, magkakaroon siya ng communication dito, sasabihin niya kung bakit nangyari itong mga bagay na ito. Truth will be given to you, no, at parang dito masasabi mo, okay, paniniwalaan ko naman, no, not because of katangahan, pero napapansin mo at makikita mo yung sincerity dito ni person. So this is your quick reading for January the 17th to January the 18th, Aries.
Predicting future is my purpose. Yelling the stars